You'll likely remember this one. On this day in history, the beginning of a massive snowstorm. It would bring Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts to a halt. The blizzard of 78 formed January 5th, 1978, and it didn't end for 2 days.
But by the time it broke up on February 7th, Boston and Providence had received record snowfall, more than 27 inches in both cities.
All right, the whole area brought to a standstill for at least a week while crews worked to dig out from the snow. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca joining us. All right, what is your biggest memory? Because we see these images of what happened, but what stands out to you?
Well, the 5th was the night before, Sunday, when the storm was forming. It hit on the 6th and the 7th. I was 13 at the time. I was always interested in weather, but it was that storm that really sparked my interest. And what a lot of misconceptions with the storm. One is that it was a surprise, yes and no. Weather Service the night before was forecasting a big storm. But what happened was when we woke up on Monday morning at 7, 8 a.m., there was nothing on the ground. So everybody went to school, everybody went to work thinking, well, it's... And then sure enough, later in the morning it started and everybody tried to leave that afternoon, and it was just gridlock and chaos as the storm was delayed just a little bit. So there was a winter storm warning the night before, but bottom line, the storm ended up being much worse than anticipated, and the rest is history. So you take that same storm, Brian and Kim, and have it hit on a Saturday morning at 2 a.m. It's completely different.
Totally different. And Tony, I know you said you were always interested in weather, but I imagine 13, 14 years old, and you experienced this snowstorm. Did that result in you being here today doing this?
Most certainly it did. I mean, it really sparked my interest even more. And then at the time, when I graduated college in weather school in Vermont, John Flanders, the meteorologist, was here at the time, and he kind of took me under his wing. And I started part-time 34 years ago, and
wow,
here I am.
The rest is history, yes.
Blessed and lucky. And we got snow on the way for this weekend. Nothing like that, obviously, but we got several inches of snow on the way for Sunday. So, tonight through Saturday, we're doing fine. The rain has moved out. Take a look at Providence. Skies have dried out. Partly cloudy conditions right now. And so we're looking at our threat tracker, which is low now through Saturday. Saturday is a decent day, and then bumping it up to yellow on Sunday with winter storm watch that's been issued for parts of our area. Here's the first or the early call on this, but Providence, south and east, 4 to 7 inches of snow by Sunday evening. North and west of Providence, 2 to 4 inches. Do not let this be the last forecast that you see. Check back tonight. Check back with Pete and TJ on Saturday to see if these numbers have to go up or down. Some of our computer guidance actually has the 4 to 7 up in northwest Rhode Island as well. So they have to see whether or not these contours get shifted up or down. But we feel as though several inches of plowable snow is on tap Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. In the meantime, rain showers have pulled away. Taking a look at the wider view, tracking 2 pieces, 1 and 2. This will be the setup for our developing storm system. Both will merge together and develop a storm off our coastline Sunday morning and into Sunday evening. Sometimes the atmosphere, when we look at different pieces, it acts like a jigsaw puzzle, and all the pieces have to fit together perfectly in order for a storm to form in a certain location. So here's piece number 1, piece number 2. So how they both work in tandem will dictate where this storm is on Sunday afternoon, and the exact track will then determine how much snow falls. So you know the drill. Check back with us. Long-range forecast over the next couple of days. You see it here and here. Here we are Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. You start to see the beginning stages, and there's that area of low pressure tracking off our coastline Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening with a swath of moderate to at times heavy snow. It's a quick hitter, but it is substantial in terms of travel. Tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, it's fine. Sun is out. It's a breezy, cool day, starting off in the upper 20s to low 30s early in the morning. Breezy and cool, dry Saturday afternoon. Your Saturday night, you're heading out. Get that dinner reservation. Go ahead. It looks fine with temperatures at around 40. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. There's your half-and-half weekend. There's your storm on Saturday. Dry, colder on Sunday. Active weather pattern watching Tuesday, Thursday, Friday of next week with several chances for precipitation. Brian and Kim?